Hola, high fashion doll lovers, and bienvenidos to my channel. In today's video, I will be unboxing 2 out of the 3 fashion packs that were just delivered from Integrity Toys, the capsule collection entitled Studio 77. Are you going to stay? No, you're not going to stay. Let's put them right over here. Now, I've already removed them from the shipper box, so I have no idea which one is which. But from my thumbnail, you already can tell which 2 I purchased. So let's go ahead and start removing some of this stuff. Now, this packaging we've seen before. I am drawing a blank of the fashion pack that I just recently got from Integrity Toys, but I know it was similar. Meaning, we have our banner, as I'm gonna call it, right over here, that lets us know what collection it's from and ties into the logo of the promo. And our box is from the environmentally recyclable product that they've been using lately. So we can go ahead and slide this down. Can I slide it? Yes, I can. Can I? It looks like I can. Look at that. You take it off that way, Christopher. Yeah, it's not a slide. It won't let me slide. Let me put that right over here. And now we're gonna flip the box as so. And which one is this? It's the suit. It looks so good right here in the box. We see our blazer, our blouse, our trousers, our hat, and if I'm not mistaken, our shoes and accessories are going to be in this little box right over here. Now let me put that aside so we can open our second box right over here. So it's not going to catch me the second time. I know the drill. Let's see what this looks like inside the box. You ready? And here is the second look. Oh, interesting. The little body, which is holding the outfit, matches the background. Very lovely. And similar to our first box, we have our jewelry and our accessories right over here. So I'm gonna go ahead and take them out of the box off camera, and then we're gonna take a look at each item individually. In our VIP section fashion pack, we have a certificate of authenticity, a pair of gold heels with a peep toe design in the front, with a very pointy end, I would guess I would call it, and then the heel. Pretty thick one. I really love the shape of this shoe. I thought it was a platform, but guess I was wrong on that notion. We also have a gold clutch, 2 gold cuffs, a pair of hooped earrings, a white flower on a magnet that can be placed on the blazer, a felt gray fedora that has a ribbon in green matching our bra and blouse. Here we have the bra that can be worn under the blouse or can be worn on its own. It has ribbon detail in the front as well as some lace detail, and it has a hook for closure in the back right over here. Here we have our blouse. It's a high neck design with a bow detail in the front. It's more like a knot than a bow, but we'll call it a bow. Our sleeves have a balloon shape to them, and they are a little tighter around the wrist. And a detail that I just saw here that I don't think I saw in the photo is we have these beautiful little pearls. Well, they're not really pearls, more like beads in the back to give the illusion of buttons. The blouse does close with hooks, but it's one of those details that is just a pleasant surprise because I really did not know that this was here. I don't think I noticed it in the photos. So when I unboxed it just now, it was one of those things where I was like, oh, that's so pretty. Our blazer is made in a gray pinstripe fabric. It has 2 faux pockets in the front, and it closes in the front with not just 1, but 4 hooks. So it's one of those blazers that, as seen in the promo shots, can be worn with just a bra under. I'm very interested to see how the sleeves of the blouse work with the jacket, just because the jacket seems very slim in the arms and there's so much fabric in the blouse. So that's gonna be very interesting to play with right now. But as per usual with any Integrity Toy blazer, the detailing is just absolutely amazing. We have a little bit of an opening over here. You see those seams right down that way. Just art at its finest. And last for this fashion pack, we have our trousers. We have 2 pockets in the front. The trousers close in the back with hooks. We have 2 pockets in the back as well. And the belt is looped on. It's not attached, as you can see right there, it's already coming off. It just kind of sits right on the hips. One thing I will say, and maybe it'll look a little bit different now that it's in my hand, I would have loved for these pants to go all the way down. I remember looking at the promo shots and being annoyed that like I could see so much of the heel. I love a wide leg trouser, but I love for it to cover my shoes. So that was a little pet peeve that I had. We'll see how this looks in person, but I will say that that was one of my only like negative takeaways from this fashion pack was I didn't love how short the trousers were, but we'll see. Our Make an Entrance fashion pack also comes with a certificate of authenticity, clear mules. Now, it looks yellow, so it's not really clear, but translucent, I guess is what we can call it, with a gold heel, gold hoop earrings, because obviously it's the 70s. It appears hoop earrings were literally the only type of earrings that we wore in that era. If someone from that era in the comment section, please confirm or deny. We have a very small clutch, which seems to be made out of the same fabric as our top, skirt, and pants. And it looks like it does open, it has a little band there, if you could see the black band. I am scared to open that because I just broke the other purse trying to open it. So we're not gonna do that right now. I honestly don't know the best way to show this, so I guess we're gonna have to wait until I put it on the doll. But if I'm not mistaken, I think this is like a clustered necklace. Let me go look at the reference photos, but yeah, here's a look at this item. This fashion pack also comes with 2 cuffs, but this design is a little different. I don't think I've ever seen this one before. One of the reasons I love this fashion pack is because of how many items it had to mix and match with. We have a pair of trousers right over here, which have pockets in the front and clothes in the back with our hook. These are, if I'm not mistaken, up to like the ankles. They're kind of made to be a little bit shorter. Don't mind that at all with this design. Here we have our strapless top, which has a hook for closure in the back and is made out of the same fabric as our trousers and our clutch. Here we have the skirt, also very simple design with a very high slit on the side. And for closures, we have hook in the back as so. Hiding underneath our skirt was a pair of underwear in the same fabric, you know, so you don't have to see that it's there, but it's there. And last, we have my favorite item. Now, honestly, I do not know what you would call this. If I'm not mistaken from the promo photos, it's like a 1-sleeve kind of flowy top that goes over our items. Now, I kept the belt here so you can see that there is an opening already cut out and put into the fabric so you can loop your belt around it. I also figured it was probably the best way for you to see the belt already on this item. It has a really nice weight, and now on camera, it has a really nice sheen to it. Looks beautiful. I honestly cannot wait to style this with other items in the future and put this on my doll shortly because I just love things that are flowy. It just brings me so much joy. And now, without further ado, our fashion show.